rNetwork is proud to introduce its latest innovative and powerful new financial services, rmoney and rPay, exclusive to members of rNetwork. rmoney is the new internal digital currency of rNetwork. As charter members, you make commissions in rmoney. And when you want to be paid or cash out your commissions, you will use rPay, the first integrated international payment function that allows you to cash out anywhere in the world directly from your back office. There is no need to set up an external wallet or manage another platform. rPay walks you step by step through the simple process of cashing out in your country's currency with multiple options and delivery methods. rPay is so robust outside of the United States that your money is delivered to you with no need to have a prepaid card or wallet, and in many cases, no bank account. Simply select your cash out amount, and based on the options in your country, the available delivery mechanisms will show. Choose your delivery method, complete the required information, and your money is on its way. For those inside the United States, rmoney will be deposited directly to your bank account via ACH in US dollars. rmoney and rPay are foundational products that rNetwork has built for its powerful next-generation unified financial services for the express benefit of charter members. So let's take a look at the step-by-step process of the rPay system. How to use rPay. Step 1. Log into your back office. Step 2. Click on the commissions. Step 3. Click on rPay. Step 4. Select the delivery method. Step 5. Select a payer. Step 6. Input the amount you want to cash out. Step 7. Fill out any additional required information. Step 8. Confirm all your information. You're done! It's that easy. The bigger we get, the better it gets.